The Hytera BD612i is a 4-watt, 48-channel digital analog two-way radio. This Hytera handheld is the next generation of the TC6 analog radios and comes with advancements in technology, performance, and durability with an IP66 rating. With digital noise cancellation and a battery life of up to 16 hours, your team is sure to remain consistent with their communications on a daily basis. For those utilizing this Hytera radio, it is often important that their communications be hands-free in order to allow for more freedom in a hands-on environment. This radio enables this type of operation with the use of optional accessories. Some accessories which are great options in optimizing communications include 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece. For more discreet communications, this 2-wire earpiece is a great option. Simply connect to the radio, lace the wire through your shirt, and clip the earpiece to your collar. Lastly, wrap the clear coil around your ear. A memory foam ear tip is included in order for this earpiece to form to the ear canal. This accessory is not only discreet, but it is also comfortable. When properly cleaned, teams can utilize different memory foam ear tips and share these accessories with others on their team. 12-bank multi-unit chargers. Having a working charger on hand ensures that your two-way radios are always charged and ready for use. Multi-unit chargers, however, allow for the consolidation of a team's two-way radios. Rather than utilizing several single-unit chargers, which take up more outlet space, a multi-unit charger enables multiple radios to be charged at the same time and accounted for. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are probably the most valuable accessory to have on hand for your two-way radio system. As batteries age, they lose power more quickly. Having extras will ensure that you never lose communication with your team for extended periods of time. Two-Way Direct offers a cost-effective solution for two-way radio replacement batteries with their Two-Way Direct brand. The TWD BL1506 is the model for the BD612i two-way radio. These Two-Way Direct brand batteries not only offer comparable quality and fit, but they tend to possess even longer life. They also come with a pre-assembled belt clip for quick use. Antennas. Antennas are vital to the functionality of a two-way radio system. These accessories allow for more coverage as well as for less interference in the communications process. There are two different types of antennas which customers prefer: the stubby antenna and the long whip antenna. Belt clips. Though they may seem insignificant, a two-way radio belt clip is one of the most important features which allows for a hands-free communication system. Connecting to the two-way radio, belt clips allow users to connect the radio to their belt while attaching other accessories for use. For more information on accessories which will work with the Hytera BD612i two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you.